Okay, so how about that other medium, something like VR or
So as of now, most of the people they are considered as a augmented reality now, but not VR.
so something like IKEA, so we can able to fix the furnitures inside the home without having the furniture, or even lens card already they implemented with the specs.
We can able to showcase one thing in real world with help of computer. So augmented reality computer picture. So AI, yes, it's a replaceable in certain area. Yes, AI can replaceable in terms of some designs. In terms of they are reducing some processes.
So how about AI and future of UX? So you are reading a lot and you are exploring a lot. So what is your observations on 2024 UX design trend?
So as 2024 UX design perspective, mostly come into picture is augmented reality. After that, human-computer interaction. Those interaction deeply goes into motion. Most of the people now they are entered into AI, artificial intelligence. So those things also nowadays most of the people are using UX and ethical designs and ethical related considerations and a lot more.
Okay, all right. So can you please brief me about the AR, augmented reality?
So augmented reality is a kind of one of the technology where computer and real world exist. So if you can able to showcase one thing in real world with help of computer, so augmented reality computer picture. So hereafter, most of the people are in industrial or production or some other domains. So this augmented reality helps to improve their experience.
Okay. So it gives a lot of immersive experience to the
Yes.
user. So it's an extended experiences
Yes.
kind of. So something like IKEA, so we can able to fix the furnitures inside the home without having the furniture. Virtually we can able to fix whether it is fit
Yes.
or not, or even lens card already they implemented with the specs.
Yes.
So something like that. So already e-com space they are penetrating this AR.
Yeah.
So in a real life also many things will be coming in. Okay. So how about the ethical design?
So ethical design is kind of based on the human data because nowadays a lot of data they are processing in each and every product. So that's why what are the data should be considerable and what are the data should be usable. So in ethical point of view, we have to consider those things and implement those things into.
So how about AI and future of UX?
So AI nowadays already AI there before ChatGPT came into picture. But once ChatGPT came, then only we are know the what is the AI, and that is only curiosity. But AI, yes, it's a replaceable in certain areas, but not in replaceable fully in terms of personalization. That is the most important. As a UX designer, we are in that place only. So we are providing best in terms of personalization, not AI. So, but yes, AI can replaceable in terms of some designs. In terms of they are reducing some processes simply. So they are reducing simply that process.
Okay. So in my understanding, AI is not replacing the UX designers. It's reducing some of the complex processes or simplifying the process to the UX designers.
Yes.
And in terms of UI design, it can able to produce variations of the designs. That is also will be helpful for the designers.
Yeah.
So it cannot be replace the designers. It's supporting the designers.
Yeah.
So future of UX and UI also has been bright. AI is a supported element for that. Okay, so how about that other medium, something like VR or?
So as of now, most of the people they are considered as a augmented reality now, but not VR because VR is kind of fully immersive, like kind of virtual world. As of now, people should not adapt those kind of technologies because no need of those kind of technologies as of now in day-to-day life.
Okay.
So only AR is right because AR is kind of some solution you can able to view or some kind of experiment you can able to do through the augmented reality. But maybe future VR will be possible, but as of now, no, there is no need of VR.
Okay. Yeah. So I seen that a lot of VR is happening in the gaming domain. So the people, they are wearing the devices and the glasses and having the hand controls, and they are playing the games, or in amusement parks, theme
Yeah.
parks. There's a number of rides. So in those areas, the people. So predominantly into the entertainment sector, VR is playing a crucial role, but still it's not into the real life area. It's not. It's taking time.
Yes.
I hope you like this concept. So we were discussing about the trends in UX UI design for 2024. And if you have any queries, we will discuss on the comment section. Keep learning, keep explore. I will catch you soon with another interesting topic. Until then, bye-bye. Small announcement. Recently, I had written a book. The book name called Foundations of UX Research. So this is a book. So this book is available on Amazon and Flipkart. Even in ebook also is been available. So I'm going to share the link in the description. If you want to buy this book, you can check out those links.